My name is Dungreishang Shimphrui. I'm from Somrei village of Kamjong District. I work with Bharat Gyan Vigyan Samiti. It's an NGO and I'm the district coordinator. Today I, along with my Hungyo blog in charge, is going to meet Dr Mathotmi Hungyo, who is the DSO of District Hospital Kamjong, to hand over one oxygen concentrator along with these various medical kits like thermal scanner, thermometer, oximeter, face shield, triple layer face mask, N95, hand sanitizer, PPE kits, etc. to District Hospital Kamjong. And all these things is provided by Aid India through BGVS volunteer, that is Bharat Gyan Vigyan Samiti. Though we are not giving much, but I hope that all these things will come in handy in saving the lives of our people in Kamjong district. And I would also like to thank you doctors and all the medical warriors for serving us every day without fail. Thank you and God bless you all.
We are very thankful to Air India and Gyan Vigyan Samiti. Yes, Gyan Vigyan Samiti for helping us in this time of need. And we are very grateful for the kindness that is shown to us and to the people of Kamjong. Now we also, if we are given the permission, we also like to say a few needs. We are in need of at least 2 generators, one for Kasong Kulen and the one for Pungyang, because we are grateful to you for providing us ventilators, but we find that without the use of generators, it is very difficult to run these ventilators, oxygen concentrators, because the power supply is erratic in this Kamjong district, and the generators will come really handy. A lot of things lacking in our district, especially we are lacking in number of doctors, we are lacking in number of nurses. And if your NGO can put in your good work effort with the administration regarding this, it will come a long way. It will go a long way in helping the people. These are a few things I'd like to mention. So, once again, thank you so much.
My name is Dungreishang Shimphrui of Somrei village, and we are here today to distribute the essential commodities, that is rice, dal, sugar, salt, and tea leaves, to the poorest of the poor people of Kamjong district. And all these things are provided by Aid India through Bharat Gyan Vigyan Samiti. It's through volunteers of the Bharat Gyan Vigyan Samiti. And we'd like to thank you all for coming here. And at the same time, let's all give thanks to Aid India for providing this free ration. And please maintain social distance. At the same time, please wear your mask properly.